Good evening, everyone. So, thank you for joining us today. So, welcome to today's webinar on the topic selling e-learning courses online over the WooCommerce frontend. Thanks for joining us today. So, let me start this session with a quick introduction about 3E software solutions. Myself, Sasank here. I lead digital marketing at 3E. Along with me on the speaker panel, we have Mr. Viresh from 3E. Viresh is the practice head for e-learning solutions delivery. Before I pass it over to the speaker panel, let me give you a quick intro about 3E Software Solutions. We are a technology company providing e-learning solutions to training, education, and corporate industries. We are specialized in designing and developing full-fledged e-learning ecosystems. For example, LMS and e-commerce for training businesses, LMS and virtual classroom for academia, and LMS and ERP for corporates. Well, that is a very brief one-liner kind of intro of what we are. So Viresh will lead today's webinar and he will walk you through the key benefits of why to sell e-learning courses online, who can make use of the integration between LMS and e-commerce with a quick live demo of how it works. So as the session goes on, you can post your queries to me or Rexon over the private chat and we will take up your queries at the end of the session. So that's it to set a quick base for the session. Now, without further delay, we will start the session. Viresh, now it is all over to you.
Yeah, thanks, Shajan, for passing over the handle. So, yeah, good evening, everyone. So, like today's session is about, as Shashank mentioned, selling the e-learning courses online and using the WooCommerce frontend. So, here to give you a quick introduction about what is this webinar is about. Okay, so uh, I mean to say, if you are the one who is the who want to sell your courses online, you have a digital content, okay? So and you want to sell it online. So obviously you will be able to choose a platform. And if you want to host your content and if you want to sell out the content, like other course providers are doing. So if you want to set up your own, so here is the solution for you. So probably what it offers is you have two platforms. One is WooCommerce. I mean to say, it's an e-commerce platform. Another is an LMS, like a LMS platform. So where you enable your selling on WooCommerce by connecting the LMS platform. So what happens is all the course authoring and content creation will happen on the LMS side, and on the e-commerce side, you will be able to sync up that respective course which is created on LMS, and then make it as a product and tag it with a price, and then start selling your courses. Okay. And basically this webinar, what I'll be showcasing more on is like how to set up that course. We have introduced, I'll be able to showcase the admin workflow, that how you set up a new course, and then how you get the sync up onto the e-commerce site, and then how you tag it as a product with a price, and then how you open it up for the learners. And most of the webinar will be covering the learners workflow and what are the type of courses that we are offering. I mean to say, what are the different type of courses that we are offering. So I'll be able to explain it to you, like there are different types. One is a single course purchase, another is a bundle course, another is bulk course purchase, and there is a subscription based course as well. So in this webinar we'll cover the three main course types, like one is single course, another is the bundle, where you call it as a combo. We combine two courses and sell it as a one product with a discounted thing. And then I'll be able to show it even another feature called bulk purchase. So bulk purchase, I'll be able to explain it to you while I'll be demoing that. Okay. So so that's the learners workflow. So I'll just briefly mention it to you that what will be the learners workflow. Obviously, normally on any e-commerce front end, if you observe, like you will be signing up and then you will be logging to the e-commerce page, and whatever the course that you want to buy, you will select that. As I told you, there is single course and bundle course, and there is another one called bulk purchase, bulk course. Okay, that I'll be able to explain and preview that. And then you add that to the cart and then feed the billing information for any other type of course, and you will choose the payment option that you want to go ahead. Okay, and once the payment is completed, learner will be redirected automatically to the LMS dashboard. Okay, so actually here the account will be redirected to automatically LMS dashboard, but enrollment will happen only on the basis of the payment status. Okay, and learner would be assigned to courses automatically as mentioned here, like when the payment is successful. Okay, and then learner will be enjoying the learning from there. Okay, that's how the learner's workflow will be. So this webinar more we concentrate on the learner's workflow. And as I wanted to update you as well, that in the upcoming webinar, I mean to say next week, we'll be able to showcase more on the admin side, like how to set up these two platforms, how to create an integration, and probably how to create roles, how to create the roles, and how to create the courses. I mean to say, and then how to assign those roles to the respective users who are there available. And then there are much things on the admin side. I'll be able to showcase it in the next week. So this week will be more on the learner side. So let us get started with the live demo. Okay, I'll share my screen. I hope everyone are able to see my screen. Okay, this is the admin workflow. Before I just showcase it to you, this thing I'll be showcasing the platform. This is how it looks for the end users, learners. Okay, so and this is the home page, and what are the courses are available, and what are the different categories, and this is how the home page looks like. Okay, so coming to the setup, first of all, if I want to buy this course, which is called fire safety, how it is being created, and how it works as an admin, for how to set up this course as a virtual course where learners can come in and then enroll here. Okay, so I'll showcase that part first as a quickly. So here, as you can see, this is the WooCommerce. As I told you, the this will be more on the selling the courses with WooCommerce front end. Obviously, this is the WooCommerce backend. I'm saying, I mean, how we will be able to sell it through this WordPress and WooCommerce combination with LMS. As you can see here, there is a three learning, and you are able to see that you can create a course here. So what happens is, whenever I click on create course, I'll be provided with a dashboard where it asks me to create the course. Okay, so I'll be asked to enter the name, the short name, and what is the category that I want to put in. So this all information will be integrated it with the LMS. Okay, so right now we are providing the form here. What I'll do is I'll try to set up a course. Okay, so this will be more of a demo course. I'll give some short name. And this is the category that I'm getting it from LMS. Okay, these are the two categories which are present. Before I present you, I'll showcase what is there. Okay, here you can see that this is an LMS platform, and here you can see this. These are the two categories, and under these two categories, I'll be able to create the courses on the directly on the e-commerce site. Okay, so right now I'll select three learning as a category, and I'll mention the start date as mm, maybe tomorrow, and then end date something by end of the month. Okay, so once I do this, whenever I click on submit, so basically what happens is you'll be the course is getting created. Okay, So course is getting created, and whenever you check it in LMS, whenever I refresh, okay, so you see this was not the course before, now it is being created directly. And on the WooCommerce side, you see this product section. Whenever you go under the all products, you see this demo course has been created now. Okay, so this is the one that you are able to see. And whenever I click on edit, okay, because what happens is whenever you create a course, right, so obviously it will be creating the product as well, and also it will be you need to tag a price for it. Okay, so normally how it works is you need to attach a course. Okay, normally this is the demo course, I am attaching it, and I am attaching some pricing here. Okay, some regular price, whatever the price that I want to, and I'll be able to explain it to you what is bulk purchase, and as I move forward with the demo. So here actually what happens is whenever I enable this, okay, so now whenever I click on update, if I provide some price to it, let's say 100, and then I'm just giving it so whenever I click on update, obviously it will be published as a product for the learners. So now learners will be able to buy this product and get enrolled onto the course. Okay, so basically this is how you set up the course for the learners. So now what I'll demo is I mean to say what I'll showcase it to you all is like already I created some courses. Okay, from those courses I'll show you the learner workflow, uh, how it will be useful for the learner. I mean to say how the learner comes in and how he purchases the course, how he gets enrolled, and then what all different things are connected to it. Okay, so here what I'll do is I'll just switch back to the learner side. Okay, this is how the learner looks, the respective platform. Now I just came to the e-commerce site, and now what I'll do is I'll select this fire safety course. Once I do that, okay, I'll be able to view the course. This is how you can preview the course and what all it offers. Okay, and what is the additional information. Okay, and what is it is being with a price. Okay, and you see that there is an enroll button. So, and what is the course content and the reviews and related products. Okay, so now what I'll do is this is I'll be able to showcase, as I mentioned it to you, there are three types. One is single course purchase. Whenever I buy this fire safety course, I'll be directly enrolled to the fire safety course on LMS, and you can start learning from there. Okay, and this is called single course purchase. And there is a bundle course purchase where you combine two courses into a single product, and you will buy that, and then you will be enrolled onto the two courses. So first I'll try to showcase this, and then I'll cover up the next set of course types as well. So once I click on enroll, I'll be taken to the cart information, and you can just review it. And once I done with this review, I'll just click on proceed to checkout. Once I came to the checkout form, I need to fill out the details. So right now I'm just filling out some details here. So, so I am giving some. I wanted to showcase the emails as well. I am just giving using Mailinator, and I'll be showcasing this. So once I've done that, there are different types of payment gateways which are supported in e-commerce. But right now for the webinar, we have actually made it clear that we will go with simulate online payment. What happens is here it simulates the online payment, but what obviously you need to there is a process involved where the admin will be able to complete the payment. Okay, I mean to say change the order status to complete. Okay, when you normally do with any other payment gateway, what happens is it automatically completes the order. Okay, so because I wanted to showcase the workflow of how admin completes changes the order status and everything, so I just kept it in a way that it just simulates the online payment. And um, I'll just showcase it to you. I'll just click on place order now. So here what happens is whenever I click on place order, so you will be redirected to a page. Okay, your LMS is being current. Okay, this is the order success page. So now the order has been made against this respective user. So now if I come to the admin dashboard, you're able to see that there is a status, order status, which is processing. What I'll do is I'll just make this as completed. Once I done this from the admin side, so obviously this order will be now the status will be as completed. And if I switch back to learner, as you can see, so it automatically actually now you are able to redirect it to the LMS dashboard. This is again another platform I mentioned. And as you can see here, this course has been enrolled successfully to you. And now you can enjoy, I mean to say, you can enjoy your learning. I mean to say, you can consume the course from here. Once I click on this fire safety, so you will be able to see this course. Okay, and you will be able to consume this course from here. Okay, this is how it works for a single course purchase. Okay, so I can this is normally a LMS workflow, how you consume it. And you will be able to uh, what you can say, achieve the grades and then achieve the certificates. Okay, course completion, and also there will be instructor which will be associated with this respective course. So that's how the learner will be able to purchase a single course. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll showcase you the another type. Okay, what I was mentioning it to you was about the bundle course. Okay, I mean to say, where right now on this combo I have actually added two courses. And once I purchase this course, so as you can see now, okay, so this is a combo course. Once I click on enroll, once I click on proceed to checkout, I actually somehow I forgot to showcase you the emails. Okay, so here as you can see, these are the emails that you will get. Okay, so this is the order status completed thing that I am getting it. And whenever any enrollment happens, right, so you will receive this email: congrats, you have been enrolled to a course. As you can see, fire safety course. And so these are the different types of email notifications you get. Okay, now I'll try to buy this respective combo course. Once I click on place order, so so now again I need to switch back to the admin side. And I need to complete this order, since it will be under a processing state. Okay, as you can see. And once I uh, click on change status to completed, so here now you can see, if I refresh, so you can see this, before only the fire safety was enrolled to me. Now you are able to see this, there are two other courses which was actually tied up with that single combo product. Okay, that is a combo virtual product where there were two courses inside that. And now you are able to successfully enroll in these two courses, and you can uh, consume these two courses from here. Okay, so right now these are the two types. Okay, and there is another type that I wanted to showcase was the bulk purchase. Okay, bulk course purchase. It is nothing but I'll showcase it to you as I think as you got to know from the uh, whatever the course previews that I showcased it to you. So for example, if I click on this fire safety, okay, so this quantity automatically is getting it's not getting allowed for to increase your quantity, okay, because this is a single course purchase. You can just make a one course purchase and you will be enrolled to this. So what is bulk purchase? In the sense, like, you can buy on behalf of others, okay. So for example, if I click on this understanding the organization value, the course, now you see this, okay, there is quantity which is available. You can increase it, okay. I mean to say, this will be like an enrollment seat availability. So now I am just clicking on 5 seats I want to take it. For example, here you can consider a scenario where the parents are buying on behalf of children, or some group of students. They were means will be bought by an instructor for the group of students, okay. So this is another type. Now what I'll do is the same way. Once I click on enroll, the same way I am the one I am buying for another 4 people, and I'll just click on proceed to checkout. So once I done that, I'll click on place order. So now once I do this, okay, basically in normal all other courses, what was happening was, so it was actually redirected to LMS dashboard. Okay, but here what it will do is, you will be automatically redirected to a enrollment page. This is how the enrollment page looks like, and you see that there are 5 courses which I uh, got now, okay. And here what happens is, you have the privilege to enroll this course 5 times to different five I mean to say 5 different learners, okay, as I told you. And even you can enroll yourself as well into this respective course, okay. So for now what I'll do is, I'll showcase it to you, like as you saw my LMS dashboard. Right now I've just enrolled into 3 courses where um, this fire safety and proctoring and virtual classroom. Now I don't have option. Now I am not able to click because I didn't select any course. Now I select this course, okay, and then I click on enroll me. And you can see that user is enrolled, and even I will receive an email here saying that you have been enrolled. As you can see, the moments ago, new course has been enrolled, which is understanding the organization value. So now once I go back to the dashboard, and whenever I just refresh it, you can see that course also will be automatically enrolled to this respective user. See this, as you can see, now I have been enrolled to this course. So for example, if I want to enroll another user, there is a provision, like now we are given with a form, and actually in the upcoming webinar we'll be able to showcase you the how it can be done using a CSV upload as well. So that part we'll cover it in the next webinar. So there you'll be able to see how you can bulk upload the users for the enrollment. Now I'll just showcase it to you how I can enroll by a single numbers, okay. So I'll just selected the course, and now I'll just click on some user details, okay. So when I enter this, whenever I click on enroll user, you can see this user enrolled, and you also see that this is getting refreshed and it is being reduced to 3, okay. So now I have already used up the 2 enrollments. Now if I go back and then check my email for 3 user 2 which I have given, so you will see this 1 second. Yeah, as you can see, this was the email I got, And here what happens is you get the even the credentials as well. Okay, so as you can see here, so this is the user. Okay, and you can access your courses here, and you can log in with these details. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this. Since I am already logged into the system as an admin, I'll showcase it to you how it looks. Okay, so I'll open up another browser here, and then I'll try to access this LMS URL, and I have been provided the details here with my user and password. So I'll try to log in with these details. As you can see, I logged in, and then I am able to see that respective course as well. So actually this was the one which I went came from an e-commerce site. Okay, because this user has actually automatically created when I was actually doing this enrollment. Okay, so this is how the bulk purchase works. So you buy it on behalf of others, and if you want to enroll them, and you will enter them manually by details, and then you can start enrolling them from here. And also, as I mentioned it to you, we'll showcase the advanced features on this, like how you can upload it through a CSV, so that you can create a CSV and you bought it for 10 students, and you can upload those numbers on a CSV, and it will pre-check, and then you'll be able to upload it. So that is actually being planned for the next week. Okay, I'll be able to cover it up on the next week webinar. So yeah, I guess I have covered the learner workflow with all the different types of course purchases. I mean to say single course and a bundle course purchase and bulk purchase. So in the subscription based course, I need to showcase it with a recurring payment gateway. So probably the continued part of this webinar will be able to showcase more on the admin side. Okay, on along with this bulk upload and along with this subscription based purchase will be continued in the next week. Okay, so I hope that is so here.
Sorry for the interruption. Viresh, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah, sorry for that. So yeah, the first question is, so your website has hosts courses that people can buy. As a course author, I could sell it on your website. Is that right? Yeah, probably. Right now, whatever the system or the webinar that I was showcasing it to you, it was more of a single vendor. Okay, I mean to say, it will be like a you will be owning this. Okay, and if you want to use this as a on our website, there is we actually do it in two different ways. uh, Probably we'll be able to connect with you if on this manner, like uh, basically you can create, you can own this website if you want, or if you want to become a course author and sell it on our website, uh, that is one thing that we'll check and I'll confirm on that side. I have many course videos with me where I am only teaching. Can I sell these video based courses over this platform? How to tag the price for each course? Yeah, you'll be able to sell these video courses if you have the video courses which are hosted in LMS, as I was showcasing it to you. Definitely you will be able to sell it and tag the price for each course and sell it from this. So this is that's what I showcased it to you in today's webinar as well at the first. Can we terminate the learner from accessing a course after a certain period of time? Yes, definitely you can actually terminate, in the sense you can actually disable the user, and if you want to completely remove the learner as well, even that is also possible. You can do that. Okay. What are the payment gateways supported in this platform? Um, Basically, as I told you, it is selling the courses with WooCommerce frontend. Most of the popular payment gateways which have been supported by WooCommerce is being supported in this platform. Okay. So I hope popular payment gateways which are available uh, will be supported here. Okay, so I guess those were the questions which was being mentioned. If you have any further queries, you can even post it to Shashank in this same session. If you have any questions, so that we'll collect that and we'll be able to update it to you. And or otherwise, if you want to, if you have any queries, if you want to post it, you can post it at the rate hello@3software.com, and we'll be able to get in touch with you and answer those things as well. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's all from my side. Thanks for all attending this. Okay. So yeah, Shashank.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Veres, for answering the questions and for the great presentation. Yeah. So I hope the session was good. And if you have any queries, then you can send us the email at hello@3software.com. Okay. And so we will close the session now. Thank you all.